Good morning children. Open your GK book. From there, lesson number 24, Special Animals. You know many animals. Some are living on the land, some are living in the water, some are flying in the air. Yes or no? But here some animals are having the different qualities and different specialties. So see children, some animals are special. They are different from other animals. Look at the picture and read each speciality, then name these animals. You maybe use the help box. So see children, you have to get the information about these animals, why they are special. So see children, which animal we can see here? Just you have to identify children. It is the only flying animal whose food source is other animals' blood. It cannot eat any food grains or leaves, anything, but it is blood of any animals. What is this? This is called vampire bat. What is this? Vampire bat. Next. Second picture, what we can see easily, you are recognizing or not? See children, it is the only snake known to build nest. No one is build the nest, but this snake is build a nest, because we know birds are build the nest. But which animal is this? This is called king cobra. What is this? King cobra. It can build the nest. Understood children? Next. थर्ड पिक्चर में हम क्या देख सकते हैं? देखो चिल्ड्रन, इट इज द ओनली एनिमल विथ मूवेबल अपर जॉ. हियर अपर जॉ इज हियर. दिस एनिमल कैन मूव इट्स जॉ. व्हाट इज दिस एनिमल? दिस एनिमल नेम इज एलिगेटर. व्हाट इज दिस? एलिगेटर. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ पिक्चर में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? देखो, इट कैन इमिटेट ह्यूमन स्पीच एंड इवन लाफ्टर. इट इज doing the mimicry like a human speech or laughing, how they are laughing, like this time this animal is laughing. What is this? Beluga whale. What is this? Beluga whale is called this name. Next see children, what we can see here, it is known as a tree climbing fish. All the fish we can see in the water, but this fish can climb the tree. This is possible? No, but this animal is make it possible. What is this? Climbing perch. What is the name of fish? Climbing perch. Next, sixth picture. See here children. It is the only poisonous bird in the world. It is the only poisonous bird in the world. We don't know which birds are poisonous. Yes or no? But mostly birds are not poisonous. But this bird is poisonous bird. What is the name of bird? Hooded Pechu. Hooded Pechu is the name of bird. Next. It is the slowest fish in the world. It is one type of slowest fish. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सी हॉर्स. हॉर्स जैसे दिखता है ना, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सी हॉर्स. सी हॉर्स इज वेरी स्लोएस्ट फिश इन द वर्ल्ड. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, व्हाट वी कैन सी हियर, जस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज चिल्ड्रन. दिस एनिमल्स टीथ नेवर स्टॉप ग्रोइंग. वन एज लिमिट, द ऑल एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, their teeth become stopped growing. Yes or no? But this animals teeth never stop growing, always keep growing. Yes. What is the name of animal? Beaver. What is that? Beaver is the name of animal. Once again, you have to recognize the animals children. First one, what is this? Vampire bat. Next, second one is king cobra. Third one is alligator. Fourth one is Beluga whale. And fifth one is climbing perch. Sixth one is hooded Pechu. And seventh one is seahorse. And last one is beware. These are the name of animals. What you have to do children? You have to write the description in your notebook. GK notebook में आपको लिखना है and then you have to write the name of correct animal. So this you have to complete. If it is possible, you have to collect the picture. These are the animals and stick it in your GK notebook. Next, largest in the world. Largest in the world. See children, this is the lesson number 25. Take the correct answer. The largest desert in India. What is that? Yes, Sahara desert is in the world, but Thar desert is in the India. So that's why you have to tick on this Thar desert. Next, the largest freshwater lake in the India is Vellore Lake. It is in Kashmir. So that's why what you have to do this Vellore Lake, you have to do the tick mark. Next, it is India's largest museum. What is this? Just you have to recognize children. Yes, this is Indian Museum. It is in Kolkata. Where is this? This is in Kolkata. Kolkata comes in West Bengal. Next, the largest state in India. Just you have to identify the cloth what they are wearing. So see which dance they are playing. Yes, it is in Rajasthan. Where is that largest state in India? Rajasthan is largest state in India. Next, it is the largest mosque in India. Mosque बोले तो मस्जिद. It is the largest mosque. Whose worship is it? Yes, Muslims worship is this. So where is this? This is in Jumma Masjid in Delhi. इसमें 1000 people they have to do the prayer. Like who Muslim people are, they all together they are doing the prayer. So that we are called namaz. Namaz पढ़ सकते हैं 1000 people once only they are doing the prayer in this place. This is called Jama Masjid. It is in Delhi. The largest zoo in India is, zoo बोले तो बहुत सारे animals, all the different kinds of wild animals that all they are kept in that zoo. Which zoo is famous largest? So Ariganar Anna Zoological Park. It is in Chennai. चेन्नई में है, वहाँ आप देख सकते हैं दिस जू. दिस इज वेरी लार्जेस्ट जू इन द इंडिया. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? वंस अगेन, दिस इज थार डेजर्ट, दिस इज वेल्लोर लेक, दिस इज इंडियन म्यूजियम, इट इज इन कलकत्ता, एंड देन दिस इज लार्जेस्ट स्टेट राजस्थान, एंड देन this is largest mosque Jumma Masjid, and then it is the largest zoo in our country, Erginar Anna Zoological Park. It is in Chennai. So what you have to do children, this you have to read and complete in your textbook and in the notebook. That you have to write, first write the question, then write the answer. That you have to complete and send your homework to me. Thank you.